Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW GTI oil change light. First, turn your car's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button firmly. This initial step prepares your vehicle's system for the reset process, ensuring you can access the correct menu. Keep holding it for a few seconds. Once the service menu appears on your display, release the trip reset button. Now, you'll use this same button to scroll through the available menu options. Carefully press it repeatedly to cycle through until you find the oil change or service interval option. This is the specific setting we need to adjust to clear the warning light. Take your time to ensure you select the correct item. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, whether you're working on your car or just going about your day. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With oil change or service interval highlighted, press and hold the trip reset button one more time. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Select Yes or Confirm as instructed on your display. After confirming, turn your ignition completely off. This action saves the new service interval setting, effectively clearing the oil change reminder from your dashboard. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.